Hi friends, this is Andrea here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's class, we'll focus on spinal mobility. It's going to be a class for all levels with different kinds of variations, and it's going to be a short class, and all you will need for it is your mat. We can start seated in a cross-legged seated position or in the position you actually prefer. It can be on your knees or even on a chair. And simply bring your attention inwards. You can close your eyes. Make sure that your shoulders stack on top of your hips and that your head sits heavy in between your shoulders. You can imagine a straight line dropping from the universe through the skull, in between your shoulders, in between your hips, and to the ground. And we can spend a couple of more breaths here to set an intention for today's class, if you want to dedicate the class to a cause, a person, or something. And then whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And we will start actually in a seated position, making circles towards the right. So shift your weight from your left sitting bone to the right sitting bone, creating circles towards the right. And put a breath on it. Slow breath through your nose. You can stay with your eyes closed if you wish. And you can keep the circle pretty small, or you can expand it a bit, exploring different ranges and different areas and angles in the circumference. Keep following your breath for a couple of more. And then simply switch side. And then come back to center. Open your eyes, plant your right hand to the ground and rise up. Reach with your left arm towards the sky. And then switch sides. And then again, at your own rhythm, you can follow your inhales and exhale on this one. Expanding your side body. And you can really decide how far you want to go here. Last one. And we'll meet back in center. Good. Now come your way into all four. Make sure you actually square your position so you can rotate 90-degree angle your hands inwards so that your middle fingers touch, and then you can bring them back forward, and really make sure that you find a 90-degree angles between your forearms and your thighs with the ground, okay? So you're actually creating a squared pose. And from here, we will start with cat-cow, so drop your belly, gaze forward, enlarge your spine, exhale, round your spine, gaze towards your navel. Again, inhale and exhale. You can keep going here at your own rhythm, following your breath. and then back to the center. Inhale, bring the right arm behind your head, open up towards the right, and exhale, right elbow to your left hand. Inhale, open, and exhale back. At your own rhythm here. Nice. Opening your entire right side of the body, twisting the spine, gently of course. And then back to center. So from here, bring your left foot backward and your right arm in front of you. And keep the pose for a couple of breaths, looking forward. Then round the spine, left knee, right elbow. Inhale, stretch forward and back. Exhale, round the spine again. One more time at your own rhythm. And then back to all fours. And the other side. Inhale, open and twist towards the left. Exhale back. Then back to all fours. Right leg behind you, left arm in front of you. And stay still here for a couple of breaths. Exhale around the spine, left elbow, right knee. Inhale, stretch forward and back. Again, round. In, stretch. One last time. And then back to all fours. Good. Now, tuck your toes, walk your hands forward just a few inches, and then rise up your sitting bones towards the sky. Press the floor back. Press your shoulders back. Stay on the ball of your feet and find your first downward dog of the day with your knees bent. Find your dog. You can pedal your dog here a little bit. Extending one leg, then extending the other. Keep your knees bent so you can elevate your hips, creating the perfect triangular shape with your body. Inhale, come forward into plank. If this is not accessible, you can drop your knees, of course. And then come back into dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, dog. Inhale, plank. And exhale, dog. Good. Inhale, rise the left leg towards the sky. And then drop the left foot towards the right, opening up your left side of the body and looking below your left armpits. Inhale, look forward and step the left foot in between your hands. Release the right knee to the floor and your right foot, and inhale, low lunge, grab opposite elbows. Exhale, both hands to the mat, tuck your right foot, elevate the right knee, and then open twist towards the left and up with your right arm. If this isn't accessible, you can of course bring your right knee to the floor. Otherwise, keep it elevated. Exhale, bring it back, downward facing dog. Inhale, upward facing dog. You can either do it with your knees on the mat or with your knees elevated. And then step back into downward facing dog. Beautiful. So now repeat to the other side. Inhale, bring the right leg towards the sky, bend your right knee, and bring your right foot towards the left. Your gaze goes below your right shoulder. And then inhale, step the right foot in between your hands, drop the left knee, drop the right foot, the left foot, and inhale. Open up in this low lunge, grabbing opposite elbows with opposite hands. Simply stay here a couple of breaths, making sure your hips are aligned, pointing forward. Your gaze goes forward. And you can imagine a sphere behind your back. And then exhale, both hands to the mat. You can stay with your knee on the mat, or you can tuck your left foot, rise up your left knee, and open twist towards the right. Bring your right arm upwards towards the sky. Nice, beautiful, guys. I really love this pose. And then from here, bring it back, step back into downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, downward facing dog. Bring your knees to the floor, bring your chest to the mat, and bring your entire front body to the mat. So now bring just for a second your hands to the mat. Then you can place your forehead on top of your hands. Then from here, bring both arms to the side of your body. Inhale, pull your arms back and elevate your chest, looking forward. Make sure that your pelvis is in contact with the floor. And exhale, release. We'll do it once more. Inhale, rise up. And exhale back. Bring both hands below your shoulders. And come back into hands and knees. Good. Tuck your toes. Come back into downward dog. And then walk your feet towards your hands and your hands towards your feet. Make sure you have a right distance between your feet so you can actually make two fists with your hands, and make sure that the arches of your feet are two fist distance. And from here, look forward and exhale, bend your knees even a lot and drop your entire front body on your thighs. Make sure that your head is heavy. You can say no with your head, shake it, say yes or no. And if you wish, you can also grab opposite hands to opposite elbows. Of course, feel free to bend your knees as much as you can in order to make sure you create the contact between your thighs and your upper body. There is no right or wrong here, guys, as usual. It's really about how can I sustain and support my body in the pose, not forcing the body into the pose. It's really about making sure we facilitate it. Release your hands and one vertebra after the other. Slowly come back. Standing, rise up, both hands towards the sky. Stretch your entire body. Make sure you find the two directions, your feet grounded to your mat and your arms wanting to reach the sky here. And then exhale back, forward fold. Come forward with your hands. Step back into your downward dog. And then bring both knees to the floor. And we can find ourselves seated. You can close your eyes here and make sure that your spine is straight. You find a comfortable seated position. You can, of course, sit on a block or a bolster, whatever is more comfortable for you guys. And let's just take a couple of seconds to draw our attention inward, noticing if something has changed in our breath, perhaps, or in our back. And then express some gratitude for yourself showing up to this class today. Thank your body. Thanks to your commitment. You can go forward and then slowly open your eyes. Thank you, guys. Thank you for practicing with me. I really hope this practice was beneficial for you. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a comment or subscribe to the channel. You know, it really means a lot to me. And of course, I will see you on the next classes. Namaste. Ciao.